Check that out. We got JLVR indicators here. Although the refurbishing put this one in. Wow. This is the same building with the Burlington, by the way. Burlington was having phone issues. Here we go. Very delayed start up there. Ended on B. Picture that. It's also got the VR indicators too. This is a full VR install. Yeah, it's B. Hold on, I'm gonna let you hear this delayed startup going from B to E. Listen to this. Looks like there used to be an exposure certificate there, but they got rid of it. There it goes, and that's, whoa, look at that deep door frame, look at this. That's funny. Alright, that's it.